All right, so we are here with the Galileo 12 by 10 foot golf net. Galileo sent us this product to review, and we are going to demo, put this thing together, and give you an opinion on the Galileo golf net. So the package contents itself includes the carrying case, instructions that are, again, 6 steps, and there's a little bit of detail here, but we'll show you how to put this together. It does come with different ground spikes. You have your base legs, you have your base middle components, and then you have your actual net sides, and there are 3 in groupings of 3. You have your 10 by 12 net, and then of course you have your adjustable target that you add on after the fact and once you get installed. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed, and we'll let you know how it goes. All right, so the first step is to identify the base components, which are these poles here. You'll notice that they have the little L bracket in the middle, and which one goes up, which one goes down. It's pretty straightforward. The aluminum piece that has the hole there is what goes down, and then the piece that is designed with this plastic around it is the part that goes up. So you set it there, and you take your other base and you move it over here, and then you take your base component aluminum pieces and you just pop them in place. What's neat about the design is it's these little push button, and so it makes it easy to lock in right there once you make the connection. And you just go around putting in your pieces. And this completes the build of your base, and you're done. We're going to work on the side pieces next. All right, now the side poles. They send you 6 of these poles here. They go in groupings of 3. You'll see that 2 of your pieces have this little plastic at the end with the indent. These go at the very top of your installation. So you grab one of your poles, and let me point this out real quick to you. So you're gonna have to come back up here one more time. Is you have these little bungee strings. That's how you also know the bottom of the net versus the top of the net. You have your loops there, you have your nylon bungee here, in addition to those pieces that Velcro around the base, okay? So that also helps you understand where the top versus the bottom of your net is. All right? And so you take this bungee, you loop it around, right? You loop it, you put your pole right in the middle of that thing. And then you take your entire setup and you just insert it into the base, right? Just like that, and it slides in. What's neat about the base is you have a little metal hook that you can loop your nylon around, right? So it keeps the tension. And then as you can see, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. So I can take my other side, making sure that that piece is connected at the top. And it does have some good tension on it, so you kind of work your way over, checking everything, making sure it's good to go. Don't forget about your nylon bungee connection down here. Stick it on the outside of that pole, and then begin to work by pulling up a little bit higher on your pole, and it slides right in. You see that? So it's pretty simple, guys, to install. And with that being said, this is how you get the net itself in place and installed and set up. So the next thing we want to show you is we're going to show you how to install the target. So we'll be right back for that. All right, so to complete the install before we put up the target, don't forget down low you have the Velcro canvas straps that connect your net to the base. So Now, here's the trick for your target, because your target straps have to connect all the way up there with the two nylon pieces that are at the top of your net. So here's how we do it. You take the net. Again, it's heavy duty, guys. It's sturdy, double stitch. So we just kind of lay it back. We lay it back. That way you can access the two nylon pieces at the top. And we take our target, and what's neat about this target is it has ropes connected to it with tension adjusters. So we kind of just throw it out there like that, and then we take our tension adjuster that's already connected to that target, and you find out where it is. You simply, again, I'm going to do a little zoom in here on this thing. See that right there? This is the tension adjuster. You see how that loops in and out? We just unloop it, right? And then we take the rope, we insert it in to the canvas loop here, and then we just simply redo what they did here. Now, I want to give you a little pointer. Once you do this, take your rope and pull on it so your tension adjuster is actually closer to your target, right? That's a pro tip. Get behind your net, you just walk it up. You just walk it up just like this. And then you can see from the front there, your target is now on the net. And then what's neat is, ready? Because you didn't forget to feed the rope down where the tension is here, you can adjust its position just by pulling on the rope. One person job, and we'll have some closing thoughts here in a minute. The thing that's nice about our net from Gagalileo is the fact that it's pretty high. So let's see if we from this distance, if it's going to catch a wedge shot, because as we all know, our wedges go a little bit higher in the air after contact. There it is. All right, we're going to do a iron shot now into the net. And also, if you are wondering where you get this mat, you can get this mat from Amazon. So let's take a shot with the iron here against our Gagalileo 10x12 golf net. And bullseye, guys, that's what I'm talking about. And then the last club we're gonna demo, just for the sake of the video, is one of my hybrids. Again, of course, with each club, ball speed, club head speed picks up. So let's give this a whirl. Another bullseye, guys. All right, so here is the Gagalileo 12 by 10 foot golf net complete. So it is set up, guys. And don't forget, if you just want to come in a little bit here, it's going to remind you about a couple things that we talked about during the setup instructions. When it comes to the actual target itself, don't forget about these adjusters here to tighten up the target. You just pull the string, and it'll tighten it and move it where it needs to go. Don't forget also that in the kit, you have these strings down here that you would utilize to tie into the little loop right there, and then you can tie it to your net so your target stays in place, right? Also, don't forget that the kit includes these stakes. Now we have the 4 stakes installed on the actual base legs themselves, so let's take you over here to them. So down here they have these stakes that have these loops over the top, and you can simply get these into the dirt, and that way it keeps your legs nice and straight. But in the event that you need more tension, we're going to look up here at these things. You have these, they're similar to like tents and other types of like canopies and even other things that you use for camping. But you would take your stake, unravel your cord, and then put that in there on the loop side of things, right? And then what's neat is you're able to then adjust your tension that way, right? So you'd go like that, and then stick that in the ground and adjust your tension if your setup needs something like that. So again, we're going to look at some questions now. So we have, does it come with a carrying case? Well, yeah, absolutely. The Gagalileo 12x10 golf net comes with the carrying case here. So, you know, once you break it down, you can put everything in the bag. It says, is it weather resistant? I would say rather weather resistant. You know, can it be used indoors? Well, again, this thing's big. I mean, you know, I'm about 5'10", and again, it is a full 10-foot by 12-foot golf net. So this thing is pretty big. If you have the indoor space for it, you know, yes, you can. What is the net made of? Of course, they advertise the premium nylon net, right, with enhanced weaving, and it's also double sewing and stitching on your different pieces on the edge there. So it is a nylon. There is a question about how many balls can it hold. Well, it's not necessarily you know, designed to hold golf balls or even other types of sports things. I mean, you could use this for football, you could use this for baseball. You know, you've got your target here, but it's not necessarily designed for holding things. It's designed for you to hit into as a target. So with that being said, I highly recommend it. So go out and grab yourself the Gagalileo golf net or some of the other Gagalileo products that they have available on Amazon, and enjoy getting better at your sport.